Hi and welcome to this channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I make videos on make money online. My name is Baposi Bawa. In this particular video, I'll be discussing 15 websites that will pay you as much as $50 to test websites, mobile applications, etc. So I want you to hit this notification bell, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below, and I'll be very grateful that you did that. I'll also be leaving 2 of my most recommended apps and trainings for making money online. The links will be below. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first website we'll be looking at is UserTesting. And this is one of the biggest websites actually that will pay you to test apps and mobile applications. Just for just for as little as 20 minutes, you can be paid as much as $10 to $15. To sign up to UserTesting, I will need you to come here where you will see get paid to test, and it's very easy to sign up. Just click on it and then enter your username, password, your preferred password and particulars, and you are good to go. So this is where it all begins. You just enter your email, your preferred email, and then you can continue from there. You can also take a look at the website. You can see that they have made a lot of payment to members, and there are several websites that are actually being tested. This website is actually absolutely free, and they are taking people from all over the world. And you can join. First of all, you will also want to take part in the website's academy, where you can learn how to actually get paid to test mobile apps, etc. Number 2 is TryMyUI, and here it takes just 15 minutes for you to make $10. So simple as that, as little as 15 minutes. And before you can actually be given test from this website, you have to pass a qualification test. So I need you to visit the website and then come to this place. Just click on the link here and you can get started. If you would love to review a product on Skype or other applications such as Zoom, then you should be thinking of TestingTime. And here it can take as much as 30 to 90 minutes for you to go through an interview, after which you will be paid for 1 hour. I think it's about £50. And you can see that they recruit people, and you can go through things like focal group discussions, interview, online surveys, etc. And you just need to come here, become a tester, then you can register. It's very easy. You can see that these are some of their partners. These are very legitimate companies that they are dealing with. It's very easy to start here, and you can be paid as much as £50 online. So like I was telling you, they have user test, interview, focal group discussions, online workshops, and surveys, and you will be paid as much as £50 per interview that lasts for 1 hour. And you can realize that there are other jobs even that do not pay £50 per hour. Most of them are paying $20 per hour. Enroll is the next website, and here it can take you even 5 minutes to complete a test that will pay you $10. How about that? So I need you to come to the website. You either click on Enroll or you click on Register, and you are good to go. From there, you just enter your particulars, username, email, preferably your PayPal email, and then you will be sent some test to do, a sample test to do. So you can see that you can earn rewards, which you can turn into cash. So you can take tests anywhere, wherever you are, whether on tablet, mobile phone, desktop, etc. And sometimes the applications are also iPhones apps. UserZoom is no different from most of the other websites I have discussed above. And here it takes about 10 to 20 minutes for you to earn $5 to $15 per test. So I need you to come to the UserZoom website here. And first of all, I will advise that you go to the UserZoom Academy. After registering, go to the UserZoom Academy, and then you can have some lessons here. And some of their tests, the websites could be game or gambling, healthcare, e-commerce websites, etc. So there are so many things that you can actually test. Healthcare, e-commerce websites, etc. So there are so many things that you can actually test, and you will be paid here. It's very easy. Don't overthink it, and I advise that you join as many of these websites as possible so that you can earn a lot. If you want to earn $5 using 5 minutes of your time, then look no further. Just go to this website, Validately. And here you can test applications and websites, and you are paid $5 for just 5 minutes, which means that if you spend 1 minute, you are paid $1. If you spend 1 hour, you are paid $60. So I need you to come to the UserZoom website here, and you can take a test here where you have to download their application, their screen recorder, and then do a sample test. And here you just have to speak your mind. Just speak your mind, whatever you think of the website they have given you. Just say it, whether the font size, pictures, etc. Say whatever you think about the website, the look and feel of the website. Talk about it. After that, click on Get Paid to Test. And that is it, guys. You are good to go. How about you being paid $10 for each test that you do? As long as you are accepted into this company, each test you do is $10 for a very short period of time. And this website is called UserFeel. So just jump to the UserFeel website, and this is how it looks like. It's very easy, very clean website. You just need to click on Become a Tester and create your account. Run your first test, and that is by clicking on here. And once you pass the test, that is all, guys. Once you pass the test, that is all. You will be given a lot of applications, websites, e-commerce websites, mobile apps to test. Just just talk your mind. Talk your mind. After that, once you submit it, a panel will review your work. If it is accepted, immediately your money is paid. That is UserFeel. How about you being paid your PayPal money? Get paid PayPal money, $10 for each time that you spend testing applications. And with this, we are talking about UserLytics. Get paid your PayPal money straight up. So you can watch a sample video here at the UserLytics website. You can also click here to know more about the website. So as a user, someone who wants to make money testing apps, just click on Tester Sign Up. But then I want you to also come down here and go through the FAQ. Read everything about it, and you will have a lot of information, and all the applications that you test, none of them will be rejected, and you will make a lot of money that way. The next on the list is called WhatUsersDo, and this website will pay you £8 for 20 minutes of work. £8 for 20 minutes of work. I think that is cool. So this website and UserZoom are actually one and the same. If you want to be paid more than the minimum wage for testing applications, then just check Respondent. And here you can be paid as much as $40 for 20 minutes of work or $100 for 60 minutes of work. So at the Respondent website, you can just click Get Started to sign up. Meanwhile, you can also earn extra money if you refer friends and family to join this website. I need you to click on this website, on this link, and then you can actually get more money if your friends and friends and family join through your referral link. You earn a percentage. Yes, so still more ways to earn PayPal money is UserBrain. Just 5 to 50 minutes of your time, and you can be paid $3 via PayPal money. I need you to come to the website. You can watch sample video, interact with other people. You either click on Get Paid to Test or Create Free Account. It's 100% free to join this website. And that is all. You can just start making money online. You have started your online business just like that. Meanwhile, don't forget, I'll be leaving a link below, 2 links that if you want to learn the exact way I make money online, you can check them out. If they are interesting to you, fine, that is cool. You can. So I also need you to check out Intellizoom. This website also pays roughly $5 to $10 depending upon the type of study you are doing. This website also pays roughly $5 to $10 depending upon the type of study you are doing. It's a very legitimate website. Your opinions really matter. So you are paid to share your experience on particular products. They can be physical products or digital products as well, such as websites, etc. And you get paid. It's very easy to sign up to this website. I'll be making other videos on this particular website individually, reviewing them, showing you clear proofs that you can make money on them, from them. UserTest is a little bit different from some of the others. Here you just need approximately 10 minutes and you get invited to join them where you showcase your skills. And I must say that for UserTest, you might have a little bit of IT skills. And this website has paid as much as $20 million to its members since 2016. That's a lot of money they have paid out to members, and it is actually unknown how much they pay. However, it actually depends on the time spent and the nature of the test given to you. So at uTest is actually one of the largest communities in the world. So I need you just to come to this link, click on Become a Tester, a uTester, and that is it. You are good to go. So you can you learn a lot here, and you can connect with new people. And so if you are somebody who actually wants to learn, meet new people, friends, and etc., I think this is a place for you. And you also get the opportunity to test a lot of apps before they get onto the market, or even some of these free websites like Facebook, Google, etc. So you get to test whatever they are turning out, what they are working on, before others will use it. So just don't overthink it. You just need to tell them your opinion about whatever you are testing, and some of them you need to identify bugs or errors in them, and you get paid. So for Loop, you have to pass a 5 minutes qualification test. Once you are done then that is it. You will be sent a lot more applications, a lot more offers to test, and you earn a lot more money from this website. So just check it out. They have a very clean website where you can, go through whatever that is there before you decide whether you want to be part of them. The last among the list is Test.io, and this website will pay you to test applications, websites, games, etc. They pay as much as $50 per test. However, with this website, you have to identify errors or bugs with the applications, and they pay per the number of errors or bugs that you have been able to identify. Unlike others where you just give your impression, this website requires you to identify some bugs. So I need you to visit the website, take a look at it, and get yourself familiar with it. This website, they have an academy where you can learn exactly what is required of you as a tester, and I need you to check out the academy. It's full of tutorials, and you just go through the tutorials and you will understand exactly what you need to do next. So that is it. These are the 15 websites I have for you. I need you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell.